guys, it's Stephanie from My Porch Prints, and today we are going to be making a trifold folio out of these 3 craft envelopes. And then we're also going to be using my new letter writing journal kit. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so to start with, we're going to go ahead and just make the journal or the folio part of this. And to begin, you're going to start with one envelope and open it up just like this. And then you're going to take the next envelope and slip this flap into here. And we're going to glue this in just a minute, but first I want to show you how it goes together. And then this last envelope, we're going to take the flap and wrap it around the back of this one. And so when we're done, we should have a folio, something kind of like this. Okay, and then that's the back. So let's go ahead and glue these together, and then once that's done, we'll start decorating. So on the back, I flipped this over and I'm attaching, here I'll start from the beginning here because it's kind of confusing. So we glued these together and I'm going to slip this one around the back and I'm going to just kind of do this so that we can see how it works. And I don't want to glue these shut. These are the flaps on the back. I want to just glue this overlapping piece because this is going to become a pocket. So I'm just going to glue right here where these overlap. There we go. And you may have to hold that for a second or two to make sure that it sticks before we undo here. There we go. So we're going to let that dry and we're going to go ahead and start decorating the front cover, which is this piece. And for the cover, I've got a coffee dyed CD envelope, and I went ahead and just dyed it, and I think I might have put this one in the oven to dry. I was a little worried that the clear plastic might melt in there, but I did it at a low temperature, like I want to say 200, maybe 250. So it didn't melt, but just be careful if you try to do that you don't make any oopses in your oven. And then this is from the kit. I'm going to go ahead and just slip it in here. I kind of just like the look, and we're kind of going with an envelope theme, if you couldn't tell. So this kind of goes along with that. And then this is going to go on our front cover. I think I like that. And I'm going to go ahead and glue it shut. And then I went ahead and kind of pre-arranged some stuff here because I don't want to take too much time, you know, going back and forth on what I want to do. And I just want to make sure that this is going to work the way I want it to. And I think it is. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this cover down right here, I think. And if you wanted to, you could just glue like the sides or the bottom and leave a space for a tuck spot for another piece if you want to. But I don't think I'm going to be doing that. And then I've got some fussy cut flowers here from our Fussy Cut Flowers, a listing on Etsy. I'll put links to all this stuff down below. And some of them, I think I printed a little bit smaller because I use my Cricut when I print, and you can actually resize in Cricut, but you could resize them, I think, anyway. So just so you know, these might be a little smaller than the way that they come in the kit. And I'm just gonna play around a little bit with layout here, see what I want to do. And this is just some cheesecloth. And I've got this cute little, some of these come with the letter writing journal kit. These little cute, just postal marks and things, and these little stamps. And then again, some of these flowers are from the Fussy Cut flowers. And then, just so you know, this is just some stamped fabric ribbon. Okay, so I think that's our cover. It's got nice thick layers on here. And we're gonna go ahead and open it up and decorate inside. Now for the inside, I've got this kind of snippety looking piece here. And I think I'm going to move these little guys. I think I'm going to let it hang out a bit so that is that going to be a problem? I don't think so. Yeah, I'm going to let that hang out a bit so it shows on this side too. Okay, and then these little envelope and postcards are from a freebie on the My Porch Prints Facebook page. So if you become a member of our Facebook group, you've got access to some freebies like these. And just so you know, if you want to join the Facebook group, there are some questions. You'll need to answer all of them. And then you also have to be a member of Facebook for at least 6 months, I think, before it will approve you. So just a heads up for that. And I'm not sure exactly how I want to do this. I think I had it something like this maybe. There we go, like that. There we go. And then you've probably noticed that this is kind of like a little pocket, and it becomes a tuck spot for some other of the pieces in the kit. So you can take something like this and tuck it in here if you want to. Okay, and then for this page, I've got this envelope that comes with the kit, and unfortunately I'm not going to use this side. I'm going to glue it down. And these open up, and then I've got some tags from the kit that are gonna go ahead and go inside here. Okay, so I've got some more pieces from the kit to decorate down here. And again, I already kind of pre-laid them out just to see if it would work the way I want it to. And I don't think I'm going to ink the edges of these guys. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and close this kind of like the same way that you would close a box. Just like that. And there we go, we got the middle done. And next we're going to be working on this side. And I've got just a pretty little snippet kind of thing here too. And it's not exactly like a snippet, but kind of, you know, it's got that same sort of look, I think. And I'm going to cut this to size and just glue these little guys down. Okay, and we've decorated that side as well. And again, you can just slip a little card inside here if you want to for a tuck spot. And now we're going to go ahead and decorate this flap and then the back. So I've got a pretty simple plan here. I'm just going to turn a piece from the kit into a bit of a pocket, and then I'm going to put these cute little tags in it. And these cute little tags can go inside here. Okay, and this is still wet, but I'm going to flip it over and then we'll decorate the back. Okay, so if you'll remember on the back, we kind of left this open so it can become a little tuck spot. And I'm also going to use this to create a kind of little pocket. And then these are just some postcards from the kit, and you can tuck them in up here. And you can also tuck them in here. Okay, and that is our trifold. So we made our cover, and then this is inside. We've got this piece here, with the tags inside of it. And then we've got spots along the side with cards. And then tuck spots in the back too. And you can use this on its own, it's pretty cute as is, or if you want, you can tuck it into a journal. And so this would be like your signature of pages, and you can just tuck that right along in there with it. And then when you sew your signature in, this becomes just part of your journal. Okay. All right, everyone, thanks for watching.